How are archaeological sites formed and buried over time? Imagine uncovering a hidden story buried beneath layers of earth and time. How do these stories come to be hidden in the first place? Well, archaeological sites are shaped by a mix of natural forces and human actions that happen over many years. Understanding this process is key to knowing what we find during surveys and excavations. Natural processes start with erosion, which is when wind, water, or ice slowly wear away soil or rock. This can expose parts of a site or even wash away important remains. Then there is deposition, where sediments settle and cover areas over time. For example, rivers carry soil and sand that settle on the riverbanks, burying ancient settlements beneath new layers of earth. Wind can also blow sand and dust from dunes that cover sites, especially in dry regions. Animals and plants disturb the ground too. Animals dig burrows, roots grow through soil, and insects move soil around, all changing how artifacts are layered and preserved. On the human side, people build structures like houses, walls, roads, or defensive walls. These constructions add new layers to the site, creating a record of different periods of occupation. Daily activities like cooking, tool-making, or throwing away waste leave behind artifacts and features that archaeologists can find later. When a site is no longer used, it might decay naturally or be intentionally dismantled. Sometimes people dump trash at the site, which forms distinct layers of refuse. Over many years, these natural and human actions mix together, creating a complex stratigraphy. Each layer tells a part of the story, whether it is a layer of flood deposits covering a settlement or a layer of ash from a fire. Sometimes, natural events like floods or volcanic eruptions bury sites quickly, preserving them in time. Other times, gradual processes like soil buildup or windblown sand slowly cover remains. Archaeologists use surveys to spot these sites by examining surface features and soil layers. They look for signs of different layers and disturbances. During excavation, they carefully remove soil in thin layers, recording what they find at each step. This helps them piece together how the site was formed and changed over time. By understanding these processes, archaeologists can tell which artifacts belong to the original occupation and which are later intrusions. So, in the end, archaeological sites are shaped by a dance between natural forces and human activities, each leaving behind clues in the layers of earth. Recognizing how these layers form helps us read the story of the past written in the ground.